Hello and welcome to the GLR Home Workshop, where exciting news, we have had a delivery from Fraser at Signatrak. In fact, he spent the day down here going through all things ACE3 and going through its schedule and what's going to happen. Annoyingly, when he visited, we had a slight glitch with the 5 boards he brought down. He's assembled 5 of them himself just so that we can test them out, and then the remaining 100 boards can be confirmed as being okay. I haven't done a video sooner than like I said I would, because with that glitch, wondered if it's going to be a major thing. It's turned out to actually not be a glitch at all. There is nothing wrong with the boards, so that's a big relief, but it's just taken a little bit of testing, so apologies for the radio silence on that. Means though that the boards can be on the way to me here very soon. If you look behind me, you can see a big pile of boxes there on the floor. On the side here, this giant stack of boxes, which is all the packaging for the ACE. And just to show you some of the things we've had. So, boxes, not very interesting. However, these here, these are the cases for the ACE, and we can now start putting them together. We've also got the power supplies. So behind this packaging box, we've got all the power supplies for them as well. Screens will be going into these, and then we can start putting them together. And then the next thing to do, using the equipment that have been sent by Signatrak, all sitting behind me on the walls here, is the link to the PC so that we can download the firmware and test out each unit. So very exciting that we're now actually starting to get somewhere with the ACE3 and the delivery. Things we've also got as well on the computer now, we've got the software so we can design some of the screens for the ACE. Going to be putting some of these up, probably showing just here somewhere some of the ideas that we've got. So we're going to have appearing, let's see, we've got the loco list, so that's one of the ones, that's this one here. We're also going to have on the release version the accessory list, so rather than having to go through one at a time, there'll be a list down the side. You can see that just here. We're going to have a full feature list showing you what's going to come with the ACE on release, and then some of the upgrades that will be free for the ACE once we've perfected them. We just want to get the item out now so that people can start using the controllers. Many other features, such as these just here, are going to be available immediately on release. And then once release has happened and we're working on the firmware and getting people's feedbacks, there'll be updates available to freely download and update the ACE with. And for anyone who doesn't have the ability to download the updates and install them, we'll be offering options for people to send them back to us, and then we can update them for you. So here's some of the things now appearing, showing some of the future items that will be available after the initial release of the first run. So exciting times ahead, and stay tuned for the next video, which will not be far away.